In this video, I'll be showing you how to stop all incoming calls on Samsung phone. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, this is very easy to do, and you can do it on literally any Android you have, whether you're an Android, like Samsung, Google, anything like that. So this can be very useful, especially if you don't want calls at a certain time. You're going to have to turn on a feature known as Do Not Disturb. This is going to allow you to keep using your phone and everything. However, if you don't want phone calls incoming and any of those notifications, you can turn them off entirely. So the best thing to do is swipe down on the top right of your screen, and you're going to see your control panel right here. And you're going to see a lot of different things, but on the bottom right, you're going to see modes as one of the options, and you can select sleep mode. That is going to basically put it in do not disturb. And you're also going to see an option in your control panel when you go into settings called do not disturb, and it says turn on do not disturb for how long, and you can choose it for 1 hour. You can even extend it with the plus and minus, or you can just press until I turn off. That's only going to basically, like, if I turn it on now, then I go back to my control panel, I have to manually go ahead and turn it off like that.